Hey guys, Sam here. Well, Mark has just rocked up with an express post satchel with something he says is pretty cool. As part of our...
Yes, that's me.
Yeah. As part of our mission, I guess, and purpose here is to find the best gear with A247, and part of that is testing new gear before we sell it. So, Mark tells me this is pretty cool. I have not seen it. I don't have a clue what's inside. Let's open it up and see what it is. Grab my trusty...
Don't look at the
Oh
back.
no! I didn't see anything there. Okay.
Journals have told me it's the best in the market.
Right. Well, are they correct? Oh, it's double bagged. Wow.
I'm hoping it's a product. I think it is. I haven't even looked. Hang on. What is that?
Oh.
Yes, it is.
I'm
Great.
seeing something here that looks...
Shout out to
pretty
Scott
cool.
Mason right now.
Ooh.
Said
Would I be
Jono.
right in saying this is a first aid kit?
Yeah.
Okay,
Scotty
let's pop
Mason,
that
co-presenter of Pat's TV show and editor of Pat's Mag.
there. Wow.
He tested some first aid kits a couple of years ago.
Survival emergency solutions.
Yes.
I've seen these guys online actually. That looks pretty cool. So we've got a full vehicle first aid kit. We've got a compact, what's this one? A smaller vehicle first aid kit. We've got a snake bite kit with a waterproof zip. How cool is that? That's really cool. And then we have, what's this one here? I'm guessing like a hiking handy first aid kit. Wow, okay, let's open, which one should we open first? Let's go the big one, eh? See what's inside.
That's usually something. That's sponsor Shane, all the gear, no idea. And that's for me, Barney, Mark. Like I've got one of these smaller
I'll
ones.
take the black one, somewhere in between.
Shane's not here to defend himself. He's in Broken Hill. We're trying to get there right now.
Wow. So everything here is actually labelled. That's something interesting. I mean, I have a first aid kit that I've put together.
Let me come around next to you. Mate.
Yep. So I have a first aid kit I put together myself, and it's sort of best in class supplies, but nothing's labelled. So I know where it is, but if anyone else was accessing it in an emergency, they're going to have to rifle through it and figure it all out.
Yes.
I love this. Like, you've got iPads here, we've got wound closures, saline, washing wounds, irrigation, conforming bandages, skin cleaning wipes, gloves, emergency blanket, we've got shears. Wow, there's even a pen, and everything's just nicely laid out. Wow, look at that. Even the tape has got a tether on it, so you're not going to lose it. You've got your CPR kit. That is just so well thought out. Wow, I'm really looking forward to testing this.
Yeah, I'm actually talking to the guys about doing some product development.
Yeah.
So we might actually do a kit.
Well, it'd actually be, yeah, I mean, something like this is going to be perfect for adventure motorbikes and that sort of stuff in the boat. I'm almost thinking like something like that. The snake bite kit and the medium first aid kit should be in every four-wheel drive whenever you're going out anywhere.
Yeah.
And maybe something like this for a bigger trip. So I'm saying that without having really looked at them in detail, but that just is a logical thing for what I think would make sense.
So
Wow.
We'll test these.
We'll
products.
test it out, yeah, and let you know how we go. Cheers, guys.